Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings for Black Shark 5, Black Shark 5 Pro and any other Black Shark 5 series. So in order to enable it, we can approach it multiple ways, and the first one is to go to the settings. Here find connection and sharing. Now portable hotspot, and here you can either enable or disable that option. There's also another way, and here simply scroll down notification bar, scroll down again and locate the mobile hotspot right here for me, but on your device it might be different. You might need to go for an edit button and here remove or replace this icon. So let me enable hotspot like this, disable it again by pressing on it, and if you hold your finger on that button it should move you to the settings. So let's leave that disabled for now. Here set up portable hotspot, that's the first setting, and that way we'll be able to pick the name for our hotspot. It's SSID. There's also a password. You can press on this I button and the password will reveal. You can do the custom password if you want, so let's go for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. As usually requirement of a password is at least 8 digits. Next is a security, and here you'll be able to pick whichever certificate you want or simply click none, and that way you'll also remove the password. So let me go for VPA 2, you can go for VPA 3, there's no 1 because 1 was easily breachable. Device identification, and here you can use a default or portable hotspot. AP band, so you can use 2.4 GHz or 5.0 GHz, and if you use 2.4 the speed will significantly decrease, but the range will increase. If you pick 5G, the speed will significantly increase, but the range will decrease. If you want to hide SSID from other people's devices, you can enable hide its SSID and make sure it's on. But for me, let's disable that for now. So let's go back. Here there's also other settings, many of them. So one-time data limit, you can enable it, and that way if somebody's using your hotspot, it will be limited to this size you pick right here. So if you want to limit it, make sure that to enable that setting and use a specific amount. Turn off hotspot automatically, and this setting will turn off your hotspot automatically when there's no device connected. If you enable it, it will. If you disable it, it won't. Support 6th generation standard, and some devices might be incompatible with this standard. Turn this feature off if you experience problems, and I would personally would enable it, and if it's a small circle of people using this device, your mobile hotspot, you can leave it enabled, and if they encounter problems, go back and disable that setting. There's also Bluetooth tethering, and that basically shares your hotspot using Bluetooth. You can also go for connected devices, and here you'll see all devices that are connected to this mobile hotspot. You can also see the block list, and here in this list you will find all devices that you've added or blocked from using your mobile hotspot, and also you can block them here. Limit of connected devices, and here you can set up on how many people will be able to connect. There's 1 2 3 4 5 6, a maximum 6 of people able to connect, or set it to unlimited, and that way you'll be able to get multiple people connected to this device. So we just covered all of the settings for this mobile hotspot on Black Shark, and now let's enable it. Make sure that it's not hidden, and we know the password, because right here I have another phone, and I will try to connected. Here's my device, and now let's move to the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that it's enabled. And we can find the Blackshark 5 Pro right here. So let's click on it, enter our password. Connect. I didn't save the password, so let's try that again. Now it should be saved. Yep, and here we're connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.